got to take a look at this. We just installed a new hood pad in this 560SL. Look at the before and now look at the after. That makes such a huge difference. You know, one of the first things I do when I get one of these old cars is I change the hood pad just for visual pleasure, all right? And I'm looking down here and it looks like there's another section of hood pad missing. I know there were some chunks of foam that fell off back here. And we've had a lot of requests from customers saying, hey, do you have that other smaller hood pad available for the R107? This is actually the same on all of them from 1972 up to 1989. Well, here's what we're looking at. And believe it or not, this is not a hood pad. This is a hood seal. This is a very critical seal that most people are not aware of, that exists on all R107s and even SLCs. So this provides a seal from the hood to this firewall to prevent engine fumes from leaking up here and going right into your fresh air vents. So if you're driving a 107 and you're always smelling fuel or exhaust fumes in the cabin, it's probably your hood seal has deteriorated. I suspect this is something that needs to be changed every 5 to 10 years because it's made out of lightweight foam. But check this out. How in the world am I going to install this? I mean, to try to get this glued up in here, I can't even see what I'm doing. I can't, you know, and if you use contact cement, you're really in trouble because once you push it up in there, wow, it's going to stick. So we've got a challenge here in getting this hood seal on. Let me show you how we're going to solve that challenge. Look at this. You happen to notice any difference? Look at the access now to that rear panel. How did I do that? How did I get my R107 hood so high? I installed my head saver extension right over there. See that? Very easy to install. Now I can work under here and I don't have to worry about hitting my head up here on the bottom of this grill shell. So now I'm going to take this hood seal and I'm going to trial fit it. I'm actually going to get my helper over here and we're going to put it in here and make sure it fits properly. Okay, all the way across, because we don't want to be trimming it after we put it in. It's not possible. So we're going to be using a glue that will allow me to stick this in here and actually move it a little bit before it sets off. I believe that this hood seal is something that probably needs to get changed much more often than the hood pad, because once it loses its seal along the edge of this soft foam, you're going to have that same problem. You're going to have too much air from the engine compartment getting through here and getting into your vents, and it may even affect engine cooling. So the next step is to get in here and finish scraping off the rest of this foam. I wanted to show you how well our trial fit came out. This is an OEM product. This is a Mercedes part number. And look at this. You tucks right in that bottom edge, comes right up here. Nice snug fit there. So I don't even have any glue on this yet, but look at how well it fits. Look at how nice this looks. You combine this with a new hood pad and detail out this hood frame, you've got a nice looking car here. It's a little bit tricky getting this on. We sell this hood seal with the special glue and with complete instructions how to apply it. But this is on there and it's on there good, and we were able to move it a little bit when we stuck it on there, so that is why we do not use contact cement or spray glue. You'd have a really hard time getting this lined up and stuck without having it in the wrong position. And then look down here. I just installed a brand new blower motor cover. We also carry these on my website. And we've got a bunch of other kits coming out for these 560SLs, but this is looking pretty nice. I think you'll have to agree that just a hood pad and a hood seal can really change the difference in the look of your R107.